èdè àti àṣà Yorùbá.
Ohùn àní là ń gbé lárugẹ, àlóhùn àní là ń gbé lárugẹ, ẹ bá wa gbé Yorùbá lárugẹ. Ohùn àní là ń gbé lárugẹ, ohùn àní là ń gbé lárugẹ, ohùn àní là ń gbé lárugẹ, àlóhùn àní là ń gbé ohùn àní là ń gbé lárugẹ, ẹ bá wa gbé Yorùbá lárugẹ. Ohùn àní là ń gbé lárugẹ, ẹ bá wa gbé Yorùbá lárugẹ. Ohùn àní là ń gbé lárugẹ. Wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá wa ṣe, wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá wa ṣe, wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá wa ṣe, wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá wa ṣe. Ohun tí a rò pé kò ṣeé ṣe, wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá wa ṣe. Wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá wa ṣe, wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá wa ṣe, wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá wa ṣe, wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá wa ṣe. Ohun tí a rò pé kò ṣeé ṣe, wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá wa ṣe. Hello, hello, hello. Happy New Year to you all. A kú ọdún tuntun o. This year, we pray it's going to be a pleasant year for us all. We are thanking God for scaling through this year. And the song I just sang now, it talks about Wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá wa ṣe. That is, God did it easily for us. What we thought it's not going to be possible, God was able to do it for us. So many things has happened, but we just want to thank God. And we are using this opportunity to teach our children again Yoruba, for them to learn through song, through praising song. Like this type of song is like thanking God for the opportunity He has given to us to see another year 2021. And our first video of the year is to thank God and to teach our children Yoruba language. What are the heritage we want to leave behind? What are the legacy we want to leave behind for our children? What are the things we want to teach them in the new year? As this year, as we are starting this new year, let's put it into our calendar, or let's put it into things we want to do. We want our children to learn in the new year. Let our language be one of those things. Let them learn it. Let them speak it. One of the ways for our children to speak Yoruba is through song, which we are doing now. Let's teach them our language through songs. All the song we are singing, any song that comes to our mind, let's sing it along with them. Let them learn it. And then we can explain to them the meaning of the song. I'm going to be singing the song once again. Wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá wa ṣe. 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 Ohun tí a rò pé kò ṣeé ṣe, wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá wa ṣe. As we go into this year, let's continue to thank God and believing God for the new things, for what He's going to do, and let's trust Him that He's going to do it. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Olúwa, ká tún máa fi gbogbo nǹkan tí a fẹ́ ṣe nínú ọdún tí a wà yìí, ká fi lé Ọlọ́run lọ́wọ́ wípé Olúwa kó bá wa ṣe, ká dẹ̀ tún máa kọ́ àwọn ọmọ wa ní èdè wa àti àṣà wa, nípa orin, nípa ọ̀rọ̀ sísọ. Ní báyìí, a ó máa kọ orin Madam Fashoyin, ọdún yìí á tura, kò ní le koko mọ́ wa. That song, it talks about the year is going to be pleasant for us. It's going to be a good year. That is the song. Ọdún yìí á tura, kò ní le koko mọ́ wa. That is, this year is going to be a good year and a pleasant pleasant year. So our children can learn through song. It's part of things we are teaching our children. It's part of legacy we can leave for them. So as I sing, we can sing along. About this year is going to be pleasant. Whatever we lay our hands upon shall be successful. That is just what that song is talking about. So let our children at home, let them sing it, let them dance to it, and let's teach them our language, our culture through song. That's another way of teaching our children. And we hope as we go into this year, God will see us through. Bá ṣe ń lọ nínú ọdún yìí, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa kọ́ àwọn ọmọ wa ní èdè Yorùbá. Ní ọ̀nà oríṣiríṣi la lè gbà kọ́ àwọn ọmọ wa. Ọ̀nà kan tó nínú àwọn ọ̀nà tí a lè gbà kọ́ àwọn ọmọ wa, ọ̀nà kan nínú ẹ̀ òun ni ká kọ orin, ká sì sọ ìtumọ̀ orin tí a bá kọ, ká sọ fún wọn. Orin Madam Fashoyin, Madam D.A. Fashoyin. Òun ni à ń kọ báyìí. Ọdún yìí á tura kò ní lè kókó mọ́ wa. Bá a ṣe lọ nínú ọdún yìí, Olúwa máa bá wa lọ. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká gbàgbé, ẹ bá wa subscribe, ẹ bá wa share, ẹ bá wa like ètò wa. Help us to subscribe, help us to share, and help us to like. Hope to see you again as we come with our program, Èdè àti Àṣà Yorùbá. Thank you all, and I hope our children will learn from the song, or they learn the meaning of the song. Let's teach them.
Yorùbá lárugẹ, ẹ bá wa gbé Yorùbá lárugẹ.